Hi guys, my name is Valentina and welcome to my channel. The previous week was really interesting and productive, and right away I would like to share with you the main news. I finished a mini course with sewing a lace bralette. In this course we draft a pattern according to your individual measurements, and then using the pattern we sew a beautiful and delicate but at the same time easy to sew the lace bralette. This is how it looks like. The course is detailed, so anyone can do it. I explain what materials we need for sewing the bralette, for drafting the pattern, and also I explain all the important points. And more great news. 1st May is my birthday, and in honor of my birthday I decided to give you a present and give you a discount on my sewing course. So till May 10 you can buy this course for only $9.99. You can buy this course with a special price on my Patreon, and the link with my Patreon I leave in the description box. So, if you wanted to make yourself a lace bralette, so I think it's time to do it with a special price. And that's all about my sewing course. By the way, I recently moved to Bali Island for a while just to travel, and I went to a huge fabric store. It's like it has 3 floors. Of course, I bought some fabrics for myself. And the first fabric that I bought is this beautiful red lace, you see? Yeah, it is like, I don't know, I really like it. It is very soft. So I'm going to make some lingerie set, yeah, of course for myself. And I bought 2.5 meters. I paid for it like $27, so what do you think? It is expensive or it is cheap? But I have to say that the piece of fabric is really big. Also, I bought this fabric, yeah. This fabric for swimwear actually. I still want to sew at least one swimsuit for myself. I've never made them before, and also guys, one time ago I had some problem with my sewing machine. So here's a little story, okay? I decided to find like some sewing machine service and etc. But you know, I always forgot that now I live on island, and here it's not like really easy to find places like this, but actually I found one. It was not really close from my house, but maybe, I don't know, 25 minutes by bike. I went there. It's a private house where one old man fixes your sewing machine. But there was one problem. He was like almost blind, yeah, but it didn't stop me. What I did, I left my sewing machine there. And you know, the next day I came there, was really happy because I thought he could fix it. He couldn't fix my sewing machine. I was really disappointed, and moreover, when I came home, I checked my sewing machine. Some details of my sewing machine were missing. So guys, this is my little baby, yeah, and I really love it. And at first I had a problem with this thing, you know. After this sewing machine service, I had problem where, oh okay, I don't have like this thing here and here, but it's okay, yeah, it actually doesn't affect sewing machine work. But here is really important detail is missing, I think so, yeah, you see, I don't have this black round thing, and I need to put this paper because actually it's not like really stable. And also there are like, you know, different scratches on my sewing machine here, here, and under these stickers. Yeah, because I put stickers to like hide it. But you know guys, I'm really happy that it works anyway, even with these missing details, because you know, it is a really good brand. Yeah, and I actually don't want to buy a new sewing machine because I'm really used to this one and I really like it. So yeah, like happy and anyway. And a little bit about my birthday and gifts. You know, every year I think what gift to get myself. And this year I decided to invest in knowledge, you know, yeah, because I really want to learn how to sew evening gowns, but I want to start with something simple. So what do you think? Is this a good idea or not? Because you know, I follow some sewing bloggers, designers, and I really love what they do. I hope it all works out. So that's all guys for today. I hope you enjoyed talking to me. Thanks for watching this video, and as always, see you soon!